On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2022 Sandpiper 391FLRB by Forest River. With its 5 slide-outs, this spacious home on wheels offers ample room for your adventures, an exceptional amount of exterior storage, and a convenient outdoor kitchen area that lets you whip up delicious meals under the open sky. As you step inside, you'll find a spacious and well-appointed central kitchen area, complete with modern appliances and ample countertop space for all your culinary creations. Equipped with top-of-the-line stainless appliances, including a microwave, range, and refrigerator, the Sandpiper ensures that your culinary creations are met with ease and efficiency. Enjoy your meals in style at the seated table area, surrounded by panoramic picture windows that offer breathtaking views of the great outdoors. The overhead lighting fixtures provide a warm and inviting ambiance. Step up into the luxurious front living room, where comfort meets sophistication in every detail. The Hideaway TV console offers entertainment at your fingertips, while the built-in surround sound and fireplace create the perfect atmosphere for those cozy nights. With 3 comfortable sofa recliners, there's ample seating for all your guests. The living area seamlessly connects to the kitchen, making entertaining a breeze and ensuring that no one misses out on the fun. And convenience is key with a half bath located just to the side of the kitchen. Follow the hallway to the master bedroom and bathroom area, where luxury awaits at every turn. Unwind in the spacious master bedroom, featuring a king-size bed and center desk on the opposite wall, surrounded by 2 wardrobes for all your storage needs. Finally, step into the open and inviting main bathroom, featuring a large double-sliding door entry. For added convenience, the bathroom includes a stacked washer and dryer in the side closet, allowing you to keep your clothes fresh and clean on the go. Stay organized with ample storage and linen cabinets throughout the bathroom, providing plenty of space for all your essentials. Plus, there's extra countertop area around the double sink vanity. Indulge in the spacious shower, complete with a large sliding glass door, skylight, and built-in corner seat for added comfort. Whether you're embarking on a weekend getaway or a cross-country journey, this Sandpiper is your ultimate companion for wherever the road may lead. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this and a whole lot more at RV Depot.